Hey guys, it's Coach Steve, and I'm going to show you a game that you probably remember from PE because we did it in PE. It's called Tic Tac Toe Challenge. All you need is we used hoops in our PE class, but you can use just chalk. You can draw a chalk tic tac toe board. That's it, and I'll show you that in a minute. We'll need some bean bags, three for one team and three for the next team, because you only get three pieces, and then you need. Or if you don't have bean bags, you can use rolled up socks. You can use whatever you need. But the game is really simple, and here's how it works. You're gonna have a starting line, and you can draw your board on the driveway or on the sidewalk. Draw a line about 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 feet away. That's where you're gonna toss the bean bag from. You're gonna go draw a line where you start, and you maybe use the sidewalk marks too if you want. And each team, when you start the game, will have a beanbag, one beanbag. You will pick a movement and you will hop to the toss line, or you will jog or skip, or whatever the movement is to the toss line. When you get the toss line, you toss the beanbag into one of the squares. If it lands in a square, that's where it stays. If it doesn't land in a square, you get another chance. Until you get to keep trying until you have it into a square. Now it cannot go into a square that another team already has a bag in, so it has to go into an empty square. If it does not make it into a square, then you go back to the toss line and try again. Once you have yours into a square, then you jog back or hop back, or whatever the movement is. You pick a different movement every time. You pick another beanbag, and the first team to get a tic-tac-toe 3 in a row will win. Now the challenge is there's only 3 bags, so if you get blocked, then you'll have to then move one of your bags and be a little more strategic about it. Now you don't have to wait for the other team. It is a race, so there's an element of speed, of strategy, of skill. And that skill is tossing the beanbag. The speed is how quickly you can go back and forth, and strategy is where are you going to move it. I have some blueberries. The teeth are a little bit blue. I have some blueberries for dinner. so that's how it goes. Let me see if I can show you. I can't show you. Okay, so here is the start line. Here's the start line, and then as we go all the way down, here's where you would toss from, and then you can see the board right there. So it's really simple. That's how you would do it. You can actually do it a number of different ways. If you have multiple people on your team, if you have 4 people, you have each person on a team, you can then high five the next person in line and have them go. Or if you just have the 2 people one-on-one, then you can just go back and forth. So there's different ways you can do it. And the first team that gets 3 in a row will win that round. And you can play to like 3 or 4 games, and then you start over. So have fun with it. It's called Tic Tac Toe Challenge. We did it in PE, and remember to, when you toss, you do the tick tock, right? And you release on the tock, and you toss with your dominant hand, and you step with the opposite foot. So have fun with it, and good luck, and have a great week.